In the name of God, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Hi everyone, how are you doing? The Son and I bid you a warm welcome filled with hopes and dreams. The topic of today is about the most powerful affirmation. The most powerful affirmation for health, wealth, and happiness. Reprogram your subconscious mind. During the day, we are bombarded with stressors, bad people, and negative messages. This can make us feel down. Bedtime affirmations can provide us with a dose of happiness. How can we make affirmations effective? Number one, you must believe that God is the only one who can understand what you mean and what you suffer. Without God, we are nothing. God is the only one who can give you health, wealth, and happiness. You must believe this truth. Number two, affirmations can be potent when spoken at bedtime. Number three, lie down with your heads resting on a pillow. Number four, focus on your deep breath. Number five, when you find yourself wandering into negative self-talk, gently bring your attention back to your breath and the breathing moment. Number six, repent to God. Feel and trust God in your heart. You have to believe that God can forgive you. Number seven, whispering is a great way to say affirmations and can be very powerful. Saying your affirmations in whisper will make them seem more personal and spiritual. Number eight, make the affirmative language personal. Use the present tense. Believe it. Number nine, embrace a sense of peace, tranquility, serenity, and trust. Let's start. Relax your mind and body. Say in your head, thank you, dear God, for giving me abundance, health, wealth, and prosperity. My Lord, enable me to be grateful for your favor which you have bestowed upon me and upon my parents, and to work the righteousness of which you will approve, and make righteous for me my offspring. Indeed, I have repented to you, and indeed, I am of the people who yield and surrender to you. How to make your affirmation more powerful and meaningful. Number one, release your doubts. Number two, visualize your goals without distractions. Number three, repeat each affirmation 9 times for 33 days. Number four, never ever allow the betrayer to steal your peace of mind. Number five, never allow your past to blackmail your present to kill your beautiful future. Your present is a gift to you, and you must be living it to the maximum. Number six, dream, believe, and take action. Number seven, serve others, humans, animals, or birds. Number eight, sadness is not depression. You can learn to manage your sadness. Number nine, be grateful to God. Gratitude is a powerful catalyst for happiness. Be patient. Be patient and you will eventually see the desired results. As you repeat this affirmation night after night, your subconscious mind will begin to believe it. Our Lord, upon you we have relied, and you we have returned, and you is the destination. I have surrendered to the Lord of the worlds. Break a leg, Sayyid Abul Mad.